Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we could see that the animation on the fingerprint is disabled, and to turn it on we should first open the settings, then scroll down to security section, tap to fingerprint, enter your protect method, tap to animation styles and switch just now to one from the available animations. Tap to apply and that's it. So let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully activated the fingerprint sensor animation on our Vivo phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.